Here we are, day one. We're leaving Marco Island. Seas are good. Sun is out somewhere. Starting to sail. Put the sails up, and the windshield up, and just trying to get our sailing speed up. We're more than halfway through the trip. Turning a little east into Key West. The day has been beautiful. We've been up to 8 knots, a little over 8 knots. And we've got the whole ocean to ourselves. There's no land in sight. And there's our acting captain.
You know what I think that is, Chad? I think it's that salt. I think it's the tray.
Wow, that's hot out
Yes.
there. Good.
Yes. Yes.
You can't hardly walk on that smell.
That's where the trains right now.
Yeah.
It's village system.
Yeah.
Where
The cutting station.
Radio check, channel 1 second. Power clear, Captain. Thank you, Captain. Have a good day.
But how good is that?
Check right hand, this guy. Oh no, it's all seized up. Check right hand.
Here we are on the third day. 2 days in Key West, and we're heading towards Marathon now. We're under sail, but we have power on today because the winds just aren't cooperating. See land over there? A little bit. Oh yeah, there they go. Oh, look at them. Oh my goodness. This is right off the bow of our ship. We're getting ready to take off today. Oh my gosh. They're just playing together. Okay, sailing to Fort Lauderdale. Drew out a line.
Actually,
Pulling in both lines. It's mahi. It's fighting a little bit. Catch and release. Here is Segway. We're docked in Fort Lauderdale. Just want to show you the inside and out of Segway. She's a 50-foot Beneteau. This is the galley, the nav station, second bedroom, dining room, living room. We're cleaning up today. You can hear them above. Here's the kitchen. Here's the master. Like I said, we're cleaning, so we've got cleaning products out. But here's the bed. And then here's their shower. Pretty nice.